right within OKC here.
Actually, I'm going to point it north.
Between that and his winds and the threat for a tornado that is going to be there. We are getting reports that power is out at Northwest 18th Street in Penn. I can imagine that there are going to be a lot of power outages within this. You get a lot of power outages coming within this. Go over to Advantage Doppler HD. Advantage Doppler HD. Again, looking for the circulation within this. It looks like we're going to see the circulation still right, again, where we just showed you before, southeast 59th Street, all right, just east of I-35 and right over Penn Avenue. So Penn Avenue, 44th and 59th Street, it looks like there's going to be circulation right there. Rusty.
Very strong winds coming into downtown as well. The circulation may not be right there, but I'm picking up.
Jeremy, I'm going to work my way over to that building and see if we can at least get out of this straight wind. What do you think?
Through the I-40 corridor and north to downtown. That's going to cause some business
I don't know. But if that thing goes, it's going to go on.
It's going to look kind of it's going to be drifting towards Midwest City. So on the north side of the circulation, winds in excess of 30 miles down. They may be straight line winds, but they're damaging winds. They're winds the strength of a very small tornado. Still have that circulation in that it has been ever present since it developed in southwest Canadian County. It is relatively dry right now, but the weather service is continuing the warning just on the possibility that it could reach out and how dangerous the situation is to the population center that they're circulating with track over.
We get some very strong winds out of this. Even if they're not tornadic winds, they're certainly are going to be strong enough, as you mentioned, there's going to be quite a bit of damage there. So we're going to
Yeah, there's a TVS right just north of us.
Is that what we're hearing?
Stacked up signal along the highway.
That is not the place that you want to be. Again, you do not want to be caught on the highway right now. We have that storm that is out in the city. Again, no longer has a tornado warning. Right now, within the KOCOB area will be the one that is right over.
We fucked up.
And again, they are gonna continue this tornado warning. Again, the tornado potential has not been reduced a whole lot. So again, we gotta watch both tornadoes.
Back up. Don't hit the pole.
You want to be on that direction right there, though, Jerry. That pole comes down. I'm more scared of that pole right now than anything